Hello students, welcome to MindSpark Academy. Today I am here with the topic tenses and its types. Before starting the video, please like and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notification of the upcoming videos. Now let's start. Tenses. Tenses are a form of verb that shows time of an action or an event. Basically, tenses represent the time. Time or tense is of three types: present, past, and future. Now each type of tense has four parts. So now let's start. Present tense. Number 1 simple present, number 2 present continuous, number 3 present perfect, and number 4 present perfect continuous. Number 1 simple present. Rule: subject plus verb first form plus s or es plus object. Example: Garima goes to school. Here Garima is a subject, goes is a verb, and school is the object. Keep in mind we use s or es only when subject is a singular. Next, present continuous. Rule: subject plus ismr plus v1 plus ing plus object. Example: Garima is going to school. Here is used with the singular, r is used with the plural, and m is used just with the I. Number 3 present perfect. Rule: subject plus has have plus verb third form plus object. Example: Garima has gone to school. Here has is used with singular and have is used with plural. Number 4 present perfect continuous. Rule: subject plus has have plus been plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Example: Garima has been going to school. Now comes the past tense. Past tense is also of four types: simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. Number 1 simple past. Rule: subject plus verb second form plus object. Example: Garima went to school. Past continuous. Rule: subject plus was verb plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Example: Garima was going to school. Here was is used with singular and were is used with plural. Number 3 past perfect. Subject plus had plus verb third form plus object. Example: Garima had gone to school. Number 4 past perfect continuous. Example: Garima had been going to school. Here the rule is subject plus had plus been plus v1 plus ing plus object. Now comes the future. Future is also four types: simple future, future continuous, future perfect, and future perfect continuous. Number 1 simple future. Rule: subject plus will shall plus verb first form plus object. Example: Garima will go to school. Future continuous. Rule: subject plus will shall plus be plus verb first form plus ing plus object. Example: Garima will be going to school. Number 3 future perfect. Rule: subject plus will shall plus have plus verb third form plus object. Example: Garima will have gone to school. Last, future perfect continuous. Rule: subject plus will shall plus have plus been plus v1 plus ing plus object. Example: Garima will have been going to school. Hope you understand the topic tenses and now would score good marks in this topic. Please subscribe and like the channel so that you can get more such videos in the recent days.